Hello, and welcome to the Missouri Department of Transportation online public meeting for the Route 60 125 Interchange project. My name is John Sanders. I am the District Design Engineer for MoDOT Southwest District. Today I would like to discuss with you the two concepts that MoDOT is currently considering for the new interchange. With Concept 2, we would move the interchange about a third of a mile to the east of the existing intersection of 60 and 125. We would take Route 125 and make it go over the top of Route 60 by a bridge, and then on either side of that bridge, on the north and the south side of Route 60, we will actually have a roundabout on both sides that will connect all the ramps and Route 125 northbound and southbound traffic. The roundabouts on the north and the south side of the bridge will be approximately 15 foot and 18 foot higher than the existing ground. In Concept 3, the interchange would be placed in approximately the same location as the existing intersection is today. In this concept as well, we would take Route 125 to go over the top of Route 60 via bridge, and we would have a roundabout on the north and the south side of the bridge, on the north and the south side of Route 60 to connect in the ramps and Route 125 north and southbound traffic. The roundabouts on the north and south side of the bridge will be approximately 10 foot and 23 foot above the existing ground. Some of the advantages that we have with Concept 2 is the fact that Concept 2 is being built a third of a mile east of the existing intersection, and so the majority of this concept can be built with very little impact to the traveling public. This concept also accommodates the projected future traffic volumes for the next 20 years. Concept 2 also creates more access to developable land in the area, and future city and county outer road systems will be less expensive to build. With Concept 2, as we near the completion of the project, we will have to close down Route 125 for up to 2 weeks in order to tie in the new roads into the existing. Another disadvantage of Concept 2, with the interchange being moved a third of a mile to the east, there will be a slight increase in response time of the local fire department to residents who live on 125 south of Highway 60. Some of the advantages that we have with Concept 3 is that the interchange is built approximately the same location as the existing intersection. Therefore, the response time of the local fire department will not be greater than it is today. Concept 3 will also allow for future construction of that city and county outer road system. The disadvantages that we have with Concept 3 is that in order to build the interchange on top of the existing intersection and make everything tie in, we are going to have to close Route 125 for up to 9 months. And this will require a rather long detour route for traffic to utilize during that closure period. Also, with the design, there would be required to add or have a dual lane roundabout to handle the projected traffic volumes in 15 years. With the bridge and the retaining walls that will have to be built with Concept 3, the visibility of the existing businesses at the existing intersection will be greatly reduced. With Concept 3, the future city or county outer road system will be more expensive to construct. With Concept 3, there will be no new access to other developable land in the area. Thank you for taking the time to view these online videos. As well, on our website, you'll find fact sheets about the project. You'll find the comparisons listed as well with each Concept 2 and 3, and you will find a questionnaire that we would like for you to fill out and give us your feedback, your thoughts about these two concepts, and especially compared to one another. MoDOT will be making a decision here in the near future, shortly after this public meeting is complete, and decide which concept to move forward with. So it is important that you take the time now and go ahead and fill one of those questionnaires out and submit it for our consideration. Thank you.